Relief has now come the way of some residents of Rivers State with the completion of a new primary healthcare center in Ikwerre Local Government Area. The project is seen as an effort by the council to bridge the gap between the people and the access to quality healthcare in rural communities. Senior correspondent Uche Okoro has details.
Primary health care is the first level of contact in the health system where non-emergency and preventive medical issues are handled. It is closer to the people and cheaper than bigger tertiary medical facilities, but according to the Harvard Public Health Review Journal, only about 20% of primary health facilities in Nigeria are functional. In Igwuruta community, Ikwerre Local Government has made a move to address this infrastructure deficit with the provision of a newly built and equipped health center.
The health of a man is his life. When people say health is wealth, I don't really agree. I agree that your health is your life. Because for you to enjoy life, you must have health. So, considering the fact that health is key, we made health an important segment of our 5-point agenda. We have built 2 hospitals, we have renovated 2 hospitals, and we have made sure all our hospitals are properly protected, equipped, and functioning. I do routine checks and visits in all the hospitals to make sure that my people receive quality healthcare services.
It is the first of its kind in this area where residents have had to travel many kilometers for medical attention.
Health of a people is more important than anything. After health is security. And so the chairman of the local government has shown his capacity as a chairman. I think he has shown to his people that he knows what he was elected for, and he has done what a local government is supposed to do.
This is bringing health right to the people of Igwuruta, and I believe the impact is going to be great because it's right at the center of the community. We especially expect that women, pregnant women, and children should benefit maximally. And then, of course, every other person that needs health care will be taken care of here.
The people are happy. The days of losing lives to minor illnesses due to lack of medical attention is over.
The chairman promised to build this place, and today is completed. At least he has touched on the consciousness of the health of the people. So we are very happy that it is ready.
To ensure that this facility survives for many years to come, the council says it has put legislation in place to guarantee the release of funds for its maintenance. Uche Okoro, TVC News, Igwuruta.
The All Progressives Congress say they are working now with the federal government to address the current hardship being faced by Nigerians after the removal of fuel subsidy and the increase in petrol pump price. Arising from their meeting, Hope Uzodinma, chairman of the Governors Forum, Progressive Governors Forum, disclosed that issues concerning party unity were also discussed after the resignation of its national chairman.
The meeting at the Imo State Lodge, which lasted into the early hours of Wednesday night, focused on matters relating to the recent political developments within the APC. In attendance were a majority of APC governors who put heads together on pertinent issues including the rise of living costs due to the removal of fuel subsidy and unification of exchange rates. Governor Hope Uzodinma, who addressed journalists after the meeting, thanked the outgoing chairman and secretary for their service to the party.
With due respect to our former national chairman and secretary, we commended the wisdom and what they have done, and they served us well in the party. We're happy with the services, and the party is united. There's no crisis in the party. They are happy. We also are happy.
Further to this, the early indications of rising revenue allocation to state and the pressure on the governors to provide assistance to the masses is uppermost in the minds of watchers.
The current hardship occasioned by the price increase on both food, petroleum products, and cost of living is being addressed. The subnational government is working with the federal government.
The evening ended on a dramatic note as TVC News observed the entrance of former governor of Kano State, Abdullahi Ganduje, to the meeting venue, even as it was rumored widely that he is being considered as a replacement to the former chairman, among other contenders. The former governor did not speak to the press as he made his entry into the venue. The political jostling at the center have reached a new crescendo with the entry of the powerful governor bloc into the permutations of who emerge as the governing party's next chairman. This jostling cannot, however, be seen to be at the detriment of their primary responsibilities as managers of Nigeria's economy in their state. It was in a nod to this that the Progressives Governors Forum gathered to tackle germane issues as it affects their state and the economy. Habib Alawal, TVC News, Abuja.